Otuado and what and some to afa Ghana and Portugal and so a match home na or say Ghana be
Ghana Portugal your first game no
waka ho asem na the odwere for Ghana ho e wo World Cup no o say Ghana ebeko nanim.
I think pressure, first of all, is a privilege. A lot of people would like to be in my position. So, I mean, the pressure's always there, but I think the pressure's more on their side because the whole world expects them to win. But I know that we can surprise them and give them something.
Young House of Folk Camp. Another coach Otuado.
Kumasi.
And in the final 26 now House of Folk go training. Na do wa ana coach Matic said abi ade ado ba bi ado ni ado bunu mu o ade na hu papa munya training ni ye munyina momra na abrante fra na free ba ne momra ye ntwanhia ye ntie de akọ so obeka ho sa wonka ho na wie ma ye hu na anu ya da unu wa na ko to pra ye beka say kra hwa na asem frasi anu ti no umya kwa hwe se ye bayi nu a na bro ni Matici hwamudi said your summon tamfun so no ese matete wa was an advert kakra boss amonso die ni me training what you say yes you do light to say dey no
Matis no
oh yes
okay twi
can now okay so what you share so what you know yes what you di na so you training and what is your squad no munyai Mumna, me and Tiny and She say a body be copy and answer on copy and because they be by you. Now you no be prior to be able to mercy and follow some banner afro.
Sure.
What's a to be a respect? What you say? One so over copy.
Yeah.
But banner I don't know. But say, there's so much so a year. I'm going to say, do light to us. Cruisy.
I'm going to light.
What do like? What you say? What was a Ketoku Castle? I can't hear in time.
Matis no.
I'm a teacher. What can you know? That's what I make that. What's I'm here training. Unia, you're fast here. Not get
your fast.
I am fast. Not get Takasawi. Get Kasawi as I have the Kakabos. Oh, you know, I'm so happy. I did Savia Cababo.
Matis no.
That's a boy saying Kumsing and to was ya. That is how you do. I brought you. I say, okay. No more Yomudi, ni Abubo. The bottom lad. But a lot of things, yes, Matis any ever.
Matis no, what's ever?
Yeah, you're question no. So before, you're not cruising in the I don't necessarily. Yeah, but Bonnie, I will go to Pennsylvania. You was a hand your lie. Your body friends was a banner, and you're the money. Yeah, ramen for the Osibani, Jinaye. I'm boss. Medford Central Medford near do so fine. Near do us bani a hano, so one be a sura party. What you say? Tia feels a bani. Now, hey, show me. Say, hey, yeah, the car.
That's all cruise no.
What's it?
Cruise no.
Wow. Yes, sir. On your new home, that be a striker. Obedient. I know what you say. I don't think one movie, you know. Bania no akasa after say your bone dino what you say in fact what him say Ghana squad I name you am na efe pa Bania has
sure
and I'm what
has na na
yes has na na efe I no cry oh that you Argentina one
oh sure
you Brazil one
oh has your fleet
but as a former then I efe
oh say has to your fleet on BBF
oh once you jasa
oh na
you can form
project your mu ye BF project o me npo bi my efe bibi o mu ye bia efe oh boku e fa
say you can forward and fa bi nka
na de me de ka ho e no kra na enye no kre a chire din
so we just squad ya bobo yes nyina ya bobo Brazil squad ye hu dey see
sure
na no Argentina squad so just as for ya de yam na ya kono asem ni nyina no
say has dey say no or there be your boy kwan
so o tell say on the say yentie ba ne why
Yeah, it's a dream come true. I think like 4 years ago I was watching it behind a telly, and this time it's my turn. So it's a dream come true. I'm very, very happy because it's a big platform and then the biggest stage for every player who plays on this earth. His dream to be part of a team to participate in the World Cup. So I'm feeling very great, and then I'm very happy for this collab.
Kumasi FM.
We do it here. So what simple out we do it here.
Oh, Jelly, me feel no.
Eti ba me na kasa ya no. Na Samuel Nkum so de bia tato. Samuel Nkum so de bia tato. Oni say has team no no. One na akọ World Cup.
Yeah.
Samuel Nkum no wakọ twice. Mienu.
Yeah.
2010 Okobi, 2014 Okobi. Ti e ka World Cup experience there. When him feeling no. So the city here, say your body at the account so we World Cup now. On him say the city.
Say no, your local league no. Okay ma, players of Marco World Cup. Inkum energy man bedu. On so great to league.
On so great to league.
Omi na capital. Okay. Ndomu na akubi. Okay.
Etientie Samuel Nkum.
I think first of all, I'm happy for him because you can see that he's doing very well, and I'm not surprised that he's in the squad. I think when you are doing a good job, you deserve to be honored. And I think, in my opinion, I'm very happy for him. But the most important thing is that he have to believe in himself. He have to go there and show that yes, he can do it. And I believe that he can do it. He has a lot of potential, but what he have to do is that he have to still focus and work hard. And I think that the sky will be his limit.
Samuel Nkum wakọ World Cup no twice. One ban here and ebo. Was in the time ni na ojitum se ban here betimi aye. Aya me na ye fe. Na Matic. Won ye sabi ani na kura ne ban here. Also kan sam kakra dia for ban here collab no. Ye tie. Matic.
Matic ni aje.
Gypsy King no. Boxer.
Daniel going on World Cup, and we are very proud of him. It's big honor for all of us. It's big honor for him. Still, he don't know how much is big step in his career and what is World Cup. He will see when we go there. World Cup, we are very proud. He has big responsibility, but we are sure, we believe in him, and we know that he will give the best for national team. And very proud. Also, I believe after World Cup, I wish him all the best. I wish him good games, goals, winnings, and also for Coach Otado, all national team, all nations. I wish all the best. Good luck. I wish you all the best.
Coach Yakasapa. Onye Ghana ni, but also we wish Coach Otuado all the best because we a coach.
Sure.
And a Ghana no one.
Oh, yeah, Juma.
They make out here. Onye Ghana ni o, but odidi o Ghana. Into also we wish Ghana Coach Otuado all the best. O say akla no, ayan monyam sekese pa. Adema Abrantia, your friend of Banye. Enti nyamianum kroni has. Ade we de ma yam na efe. In fact, my memo abaso say house of folk ade we die mo ye ma na efe pa. Enti so say ya bobo squad no, the omni say na Danlad ni ya. No kro omni say bobo squad na Danlad no ni Ghana. No watu. Oh yes no watu no ni ya. No ni Ghana. Ya bobo squad no ni Ghana. Tie ni ye enti na wa hu kotoko de no. Enti e beto make case for kotoko no ni ya. Ba kotoko kra no oja no kwan. Oja kwan. Oja kwan. Omu ni shia ba se hu oja kwan. Eno so ho a oja kwan sa atem na ba foforo no. Enti eno ano no. Draw. But that's why I'm na efe. Eno ano no. Enkasa bi what? Efa so ya. Enti no ano no. O kasapa sembe be sifia sese na nya asem ketwa. Enti yifiri wona enko enu. Moya de why? Eda wase. Na Obaba fe.
Papa.
What do you say?
Nyame adom pike.
You are looking